let's see how to make text lowercase in Canva. And for your information, why people do it, it's because for the design aesthetics, which is lowercase text, gives a minimalist, modern, and casual look, which is appealing for trendy designs and social media graphics. Also, some brands use all lowercase text as part of their style guide to appear approachable, friendly, or youthful. So, for you to able to make your text in lowercase in Canva, just do this step by step. You just have to navigate to the project section and then select the design you wanted to modify. And then after selecting it, go to the page that you wanted to make your text in lowercase. So for example, in this page, which is the page 3, I wanted to make this title in lowercase. So I just have to click this text section, and then once you've clicked in, just navigate on this section, which is a bunch of options appear. Just click this uppercase or this lowercase icon, which will lead you to make your text in all lowercase. Another example, in this part, I will make this in lowercase by clicking this section and then clicking the icon again, which is the uppercase and lowercase icon. And then, see? And that's how you make text lowercase in Canva. See you soon.